Hi, welcome back to Samat Media. I hope that all are doing good. Bring out your hidden treasure of imagination in you as painting. First, I am going to start the pencil sketching process. I want to show this diagram to you. Because of this, I work heavily this drawing. You work lightly so easily you can erase your marker. The first step is how to draw the leaves. The lupin leaves can have a wide amount of these leaflets that can weigh too. The individual flowers from different angles and sketching the rough diagram of the bloom. These flowers are mostly the straight and the side angles, and I am giving the flower buds on the top. Birds are my favorite. Lupin flowers are one of the best choice of my magical hummingbird. I am giving darker shading with a softer 8B pencil, and I am adding darker shading with a blending stump too. Next step, we are going to be learning how to draw the hummingbird. Hummingbird is my favorite one. They are impressing me a lot. I am using drawing paper to my pencil sketch, but you can buy this watercolor, acrylic color or oil as your wish. I would like my hummingbird is facing the flower, so I am drawing it on vertical line. For the top of the line, I am drawing circle for head and followed by long oval shape for the body, after leaving some space for neck. Now the same process or change by your own wish how the bird should be, like horizontal, vertical or slanting is about you. Want to continue that line, slightly curved it. This is going to be the hummingbird peak. Next oval shape down, I want to add a small shape down here. This is going to be a hummingbird tail. Next I am going to do the wings. Another one coming up. This is the base. Next step is feet, which is going to do some tiny little claws down. Use your imagination to achieve the picture you want. Enjoy your painting with patience. Need to keep on trying. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.